Hello and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo for your brand in under 5 minutes. First of all, we need to generate a brand name so that we have a brand name that we are creating a logo for. So in order to do that, we have Namelix open right here, and I'm simply going to type in a few words, and what we're going to do is generate a brand name. So first of all, I will type in marketing. Then I will also add some other random words as well, so I'll type in royal, and I will also type in lion. These 3 words are not relevant to each other at all, but we want a marketing-based business name. So I'll click generate right now, and for the name length, I will leave it as it is. And let's generate. So here we go. It has generated many different brand names for us. I'm just going to scroll through them until I find one that sounds good to me. Here we go, this one just here sounds great, so I'll click onto this. And what I am going to do is remember the name, and I'm going to type it in to the Namecheap logo generator. So what I'll do is click create your logo, and then I'll type in the company name. And we also have the option to enter the type of business. So I'll type in marketing. And this top one here, digital marketing, is perfect. So then I'll click continue. And now we have 6 different steps where we need to choose the logo style. So for this first option, I will select this one here. So with this, we're basically just showing the system the style of logo that we like, so that it can generate a logo that it thinks we will love. So then I'll select this one here and this one here. These are all quite similar. I think I'll select this one on the right. And out of these 3 options, I think I like this one in the middle the most. And finally for this one, I think I will select this one just here. Now we need to select a color. Now it's important to remember that we have lion in the brand name. So we want to select colors that will be relevant and bold for that particular brand. So as you can see, the purple color palette just here says it is bold, engaging, and vibrant. So I think that this is the one I will be selecting. And now we have the option to add a company slogan. I think I'm just going to skip past this option. So I'll click continue. Now we can add some icons. So I want to add some relevant icons. So first of all, I will type in lion. And I will select this first one here. Then I will type in marketing. And I think I will select this one just here. And finally for the third icon, I will type in royal. And I think that one of these 2 will be perfect. I'll go for this one here. So then I'll click continue again down here. And now this is going to generate a ton of different logo ideas for our brand. So let's simply scroll through them. Right, so I'm going to click onto this one and I'll make some changes. So I'll go to the color. And we can simply keep clicking on these different color options until we find one that we think looks nice. This isn't too bad, to be honest. Okay, this one here looks great. So now that we have chosen our colors, I will close the color option just here. And we can go to text. This will allow us to customize the text style. I'm going to see what it looks like putting all of the letters in capitals. Okay, this is interesting. I quite like this new style. I think I'm going to keep it with this font right here. So then I'll close out of the text. And we're not going to add a slogan, so I'll leave that as it is. And then we have icons. We can see how the other icons look, but I think that the one it's selected is best. And then finally at the bottom down here, we can customize the layout. So I'm going to try this layout in the middle, and I actually think that this looks much better. So now I'll close out of the layout as well. And now let's have a look at the logo mockup. So first of all, we have the general logo. Then we have a business card mockup as well, a t-shirt mockup, and a website as well. Finally followed by an app store mockup as well. So there we go. We have generated a pretty nice logo for a made up brand using the Namecheap logo maker. You can download the logos that you generate with this tool for free. You do not have to pay a penny. You just need to log in to Namecheap, and then you can download all of your logo files. So that is it for this video. We have successfully designed a logo for our brand. Yes, maybe it is a made up brand, but we have created a rather cool logo with the Namecheap logo generator. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new. I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.